how I am going to make my meatloaf is first I am going to add my seasoning to my meatloaf. I am using McCormick's meatloaf packet, okay, less sodium. I'm going to add in just a small amount of salt, just a small amount, about 2 teaspoons. You want some flavor on your meatloaf. I'm going to add in some black pepper on my meatloaf. Season according to your liking, but I'm going to tell you, when it comes to 2 pounds of ground beef, that's what I'm starting with. I will add about 3 teaspoons of black pepper. I'm going to use this Hunt meatloaf seed sauce. Only 1 can. Hunt meatloaf starter. It's really good, y'all. Trust me. It's really diced onions and bell pepper and celery. This is the Trinity that you can find in the store, or you can chop it up yourself. Now, some people don't like as much onions and bell peppers as others in there, so you can add as much or as little as you like, okay? Season to your taste when it comes to making your meatloaf, okay? This is what the label will look like in the store. It'll say Trinity Mix, okay? Ready to eat. It's already chopped up. You ain't gotta chop it up. Next, I am going to crack over. That's 1 egg. That's 2 eggs for our meatloaf. I'm going to add in this 1 box of stovetop stuffing mix. I'm going to add in about 1/4 cup of water. If you don't like water, you can go in with my hands. And I'm going to mix my meatloaf together. Make sure you have washed your hands. If you don't like getting your hands messy, I don't know what to tell you. Just make sure you got some gloves on. But you gotta mix it together. Don't over mix your meatloaf. Just fold it in like so. Work it in well. Next, get the pan that you're going to bake your meatloaf in. Take your meat, place it in the pan. Let's go ahead and let's shape our meatloaf into a nice shaped loaf. Squeeze it in tight like so. Pat it to get the perfect shape on the top and around the sides. Folding my meat under and try to form a kind of a meatloaf style. So there is my meatloaf shape. Okay, everyone. So I am going to bake my meatloaf at 400 degrees for 45 minutes to 1 hour. I want to make sure that my middle of my meat is done. So I don't eat no pink meat. If you do, that's fine, but not when it comes to my meatloaf. All right, so I'll be back when it gets to 45 minutes so we can put our topping on our meatloaf. You guys see that I am preheating my oven to 400 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and I added me some salt on the top, and I'm gonna add me some black pepper as well to cook down on this top, okay? That does add flavor to the outside as well. You don't have to do that, but that's something that I do, okay? In my bowl, I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can use light brown or dark brown. Here I am going to add me in some Hunt's roasted garlic tomato sauce. You can use whatever flavor you like, but this roasted tomato garlic flavor is very good. I'm adding in some tomato paste. some leftover tomato paste that I had. It's not a whole lot. I'm going to show you what kind it is. It's tomato paste, the basil, garlic, and oregano flavor by Hunt's as well. Okay, I'm going to add in a dab of yellow mustard. Now, if you don't have no tomato sauce or tomato paste, go ahead and just use ketchup. Just go ahead and mix this together for your tomato topping. Okay, so after about 40-45 minutes, you're gonna top your meatloaf with your topping of choice. Some people like brown gravy. Some people like, now I like brown gravy or tomato topping or barbecue sauce on my meatloaf, okay? And I like my meatloaf to have some crispy edges. Everybody cook their meatloaf different, but don't knock it till you try it now. And I'm gonna put this back in the oven for about 15 more minutes to allow this meatloaf to bake properly. I mean, the topping to cook on here properly, and then I'll be finished with my meatloaf. Okay. So let's get this meatloaf back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, you guys, cut the meatloaf open so that you can see that it is done on the inside. So my time is on point. It's not hard, it is soft, and it's gonna go good with some mashed potatoes or some rice. So I hope you guys enjoyed me making some meatloaf. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned to your girl's channel for another wonderful video.